Okay, so anyway, so good, we're recording. So yeah, so we're bringing together all the biomass burning researchers. And we'd like to identify the priority research questions, projects, and collaborations. And then work towards a special issue. So an interjournal special issue for our upcoming manuscripts that we hope you will want to contribute to. So the fourth session, so tomorrow afternoon, we'll be discussing that in more detail, such as like picking which journal to submit to and stuff like that, our proposal. And then IGAC, this is under IGAC, so we will also probably write like a IGAC newsletter article, more like an outreach kind of thing from the workshop. So I'm sure you've all seen the program, but this is the general overview. So after this introduction, we will go into the emissions session. And we have several
somebody's asking for
video, as well as a panel discussion. And then, and at some point in the morning, we'll have a coffee break, which will just be in the hall. And then after lunch, oh yeah, so then, well, I'll cover the logistics, but then we'll have a lunch and poster session on Gather Town. And then in the afternoon, we'll do the chemistry session. Go ahead.
Turn on your.
No, oh, is that? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes. I don't know if that helps, but okay. And then day 2, we've got our modeling session, and again lunch and posters, and then the afternoon will be devoted to discussions in breakout groups. So there'll be 2 coffee breaks in the morning and afternoon, and then lunch will either be an hour and a half or an hour, and we will have the posters also after people eat. Okay, so the logistics. So yes, people in the room, the Wi-Fi information is there on the whiteboard. If you'd like to connect, but I mentioned before, like you don't need to connect to the Zoom, just so you have Wi-Fi while you're here, because actually what you will need Wi-Fi for and possibly a computer for is the online poster session and use of the Jamboards, which I will demonstrate in a second. We have 2 microphones in the room, so if you have questions or comments throughout, raise your hand and one of us will bring you a microphone so that the people online can hear you well. And okay, and then those online, you can pose your questions in the Zoom chat or raise your virtual hand, and you can ask questions at any time. The moderators will call on you for the questions. And then the poster session. So there's no printed live posters or hard copy posters. They're all going to be live on GatherTown. So whether you're here in the room or online, please go to the GatherTown online. If you're going to take it from this room, ideally you'd have a headset just so that when you're interacting with presenters, it doesn't become chaos. But otherwise, like I was thinking, if you're staying in this hotel, you can easily go to your room after lunch to interact with on GatherTown. Okay, so I mentioned this. So the coffee breaks will be just outside, and then lunch will be served at the Cyndi restaurant, which is where those who are staying in this hotel eat breakfast in the morning. But anyway, we can all go there, and if you're not with the pack heading into lunch, just mention that you're with the FUNCHEM, the IGAC FUNCHEM workshop, and to get into the restaurant. Oh yeah, there's no dinner provided tonight. But for today, after the workshop, about a half hour after the end, we encourage you to get together for informal social gathering. We're open to where, but for now, barring any other recommendations, we'll say at the Chereza Lounge, which is here in this hotel. And oh yeah, and the nearest washrooms for those who are here, you go back out through to the end of the hallway and go left. There's some glass doors, you go through them, and then the washrooms are on the left over there. Okay, so sharing ideas with the Jamboard. So I'll quickly put the links into the chat. Well, and then I can demonstrate. So each session will have has a Jamboard, which is an online place to put notes. So this is an example of the discussion one. And there's some questions on each page. So we'll use this one more in the discussions, but just so I can demonstrate, you click on the left there in the middle, and then you can put your idea in the box and then save, and then it will go on this page. So anybody in person or online can answer these questions on the various pages, or basically put their ideas, because what we'd like to come out of this workshop is your ideas of what you're working on, what you see as the knowledge gaps, etc. So for example, yeah, this is like another example. So there's a Jamboard for each session that you're welcome, whether you're in person or online, you're welcome to add your ideas. And it will help us save all the ideas in a written format after the workshop. Okay, so I'll go back. This. Okay, and then I'll just introduce the FUNCHEM organizing committee. So some of us are here in the room and some of us are online. So again, I don't know if I introduced myself. I'm Cyndi Whaley. I'm from Environment and Climate Change Canada, and I'm on the Be Burned steering committee. And maybe I'll start with the others. So Rebecca and Mark might be online. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Do you want to say hello?
Hi, I'm Rebecca Buckles. I'm a project scientist at the NSF National Center for Atmospheric Research, and I am part of the Be Burned Steering Committee.
Thank you, Mark.
Yep. Hi, good morning. Mark Parrington from the European Centre for Medium Range Weather Forecasts. Yeah, and I work also for the Copernicus Atmosphere Monitoring Service.
Thank you. And Nancy French is our fourth Burns steering committee member, and she is not available for this. So maybe we go to iLeaps. This is like a joint burned iLeaps venture, this workshop. So yeah, so Samina, Pallavi, Rupal, and Saurabh. Do you want to all yeah, let's stand up and say hello.
I'm Pallavi Saxena. I am from University of Delhi. I am also serving as SSC member in ILIPS and Gaia. And I'm thankful to Be Burned that we got and collaborated the workshop this morning and tomorrow also. So I will be looking forward for the new suggestions and ideas relating to biomass burning. Thank you.
They could come and sit here. Yeah. Figure it out.
Good morning, everyone.
It's just about the connecting, which I have to change the video connection. So it's like here, you have no idea, so it won't be. This is selected as a interpret webcam.
So whenever you want.
There is another one, but maybe not.
And whatever the feedback and whatever the suggestion, you can just post it on the Jamboard.
Maybe you can. Hi, they can see me here. I'm Samina. I'm the executive officer of iLeaps at the UK Center for Ecology and Hydrology. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Good morning. This is Rupal Ambulkar. So I am from IITM India, and I am as a ECR. I am working as an ECR over for this FUNCHEM organizing committee team. And I'm working on biomass burning emissions in India. So yeah, hopefully I will present myself more in much more details in my talk. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, and then we'll go to the burn working group team. Shobha.
Thanks. Yes, Shobha Kundagunda, Nova Nestis, Center for Satellite Applications and Research. I work in 3 topical areas: air quality, greenhouse gases, and fire emissions.
Hi everyone, I'm Steph Schneider. I'm a postdoc at Mass University and I'm the one of the co-chemistry working group leads. I work in air quality and the production of secondary food.
Hey, my name is Chen Zhu from Japan Institute for Marine Earth Science and Technology. I'm also working in the chemistry group and welcome to the burn workshop.
Hi all, my name is Shaina Susan John. I have finished my PhD from University of Wollongong. I'm currently working as an air quality consultant in an industry. So I'm also the modeling working group lead.
Hello everyone, my name is Dang Li. I'm from Baylor University. I'm an assistant professor, so I'm also working with Susan on the modeling group. Thank you.
And then we might have Medina online or Evelyn.
I need to see Medina online.
Okay, Medina, do you want to
Hello.
turn on your mic?
Hello everyone, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm Madina Dumia from University Peleforo Goncourt-Bali, located in Côte d'Ivoire. I'm a member of Big Burning and working about inventory. Thank you and nice to be here.
Thank you. Okay, I think that's everybody on the organizing committee. Evelyn also is on the emissions working group, but she, I don't think, could make it. And I think that's all of us. Okay, so yeah, big thank you to IGAC for funding this room and our meals and a little bit of travel support, although not as much as we, well, a little bit of travel support. And then thank you all again for being here in person on the weekend, online on the weekend, online in a weird time zone. Thank you very much for attending. So yeah, so I just to end off the introduction, just putting up the workshop goals again. If there's any questions or if they're unclear, but basically we're looking towards, cutting edge biomass burning science, looking at other ways to collaborate, other ways to address the research gaps, the uncertainties, the variability, and then yeah, trying to launch a special issue, an interjournal special issue for our upcoming manuscripts.